Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How is everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. This is the last lesson of this Arabic book. The entire book was about how to easily read the Holy Quran. Those who have studied the lesson systematically might have an idea by now. In the next lesson, we will read the Holy Quran, inshallah. After reading some surahs with their meanings, you will begin to understand how the Quran recited. I'll mention again, if you want to study with a different teacher, feel free to contact. We are teaching the Holy Quran all over the world. Let's begin the lesson. Lesson 29 is all about this little noon. Normally we can read Adi Rullazi, but there is noon here and you memorized it. Little noon has also Kisra. So this one is going to be Adi Ru Nilazi, like this. I'm going to teach you, repeat after me. O Fatha O, Dal Kisra Yadi, Ra Damaru, Qadiru, Noon Kisra Lam Nil, Lam Fatha La, Zal Kisra Yazi, Nil Lazi. Together is called Qadirun Lazi. Next, Lam Damalu, Mim Fatha Ma, Za Fatha Za, Luma Za, Ta Kasrati, Luma Zati, Nun Kasra Lam Nil, Lam Fatha La, Zal Kasra Yazi, Luma Zati Nilazi. Next, Nun Dama Waw Nu, Ha Dama Hu, Nuhu, Nun Kasra Ba Nib, Nun Fathana, Ha Dama Tghawilahu, Nuhu Nibnahu. Next, Kha Fatha Ya Khai, Ra Fatha Ra, and before little noon, if alif is here, alif is not readed, only little noon is readed. Alif is skipped if alif is before and after this little noon. So this alif is not readed, simply Khayra, Noon Kasra Lam Nil, Waw Fatha Wa, Sad Kasra Yasi, Ya Fatha Ya, Ta Damatu. Together is called Khayranil Wasiyatu. Next, Shin Fatha Ya Shay, Hamza Fatha A, Shay'a, Nun Kasra Ta Nit, Ta Fatha Ta, Kha Fatha Kha, Zal Fatha Za, Ha Fatha Alif Ha. Together is called Shay'an Ittakhazaha. Next we have lesson 30. Lesson 30 is all about how we can read it together. So first line, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Okay, if you see there is a circle, it's mean the ayat is completed. Ayat is completed. And when ayat is completed, the last letter is going to be silent. For example, this one is Shaytanir Rajim. Mim is going to be silent. It's going to be Rajim, like this. Try to read it again. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Mim is going to be silent. Next, قل هو الله أحد. Ahadun. Dal is the last letter of this ayat. That's why dal is going to be silent. Ahadun to ahad. Next. Min khawfin. Fa is the last one. Fa is going to be silent. It's min khawf. وَجَنَّاتٍ أَلْفَافًا. Okay, if you see, the last letter has fathataini and it's not going to be silent. Simply one fatha is skipped, one fatha and alif is read. For example, al-fa-fan, last one fa has fathataini, normally read it fa fathataini fan. But this is the last letter of this ayat. One fatha is skipped, fa fatha alif fa. It's going to be wajannatin alfafa, like this. Iza hasad lima yurid bi ashab. Yeah, from previous letter. Bi ashabil fil. Next. Abi lahabin wa tab. Liman khashiya rabba. Lita'jala bih. إنه كان توابا. وشاهد ومشهود منهم تقاة ذرية طيبة. In Quran, when you see these little letters between the ayat, it's mean the meaning of this ayat completed. You can stop here. If you can stop here, this ta is going to be ha. So minhum tuqatan to minhum tuqah. Next, zurriyatan tayyibatan to tayyibah. Zurriyatan tayyibah. That's it. You can practice this lesson, and in the next lesson we will revise the complete book, like in shortly. I will explain you how you can read it, every lesson, every exercise, the pronunciation, everything. And after the next lesson we will start Quran, few surahs. I will teach you one by one, like alif fatha in this way. Inshallah, you'll be guided, you'll be understand how you can recite the Quran by yourself. Inshallah, you'll be understand. See you in the next video, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.